First of all, very good morning, and let me thank you all for joining us during this FABA Innovation Summit launching. And as Jagdish was mentioning, the Federation of Asian Biotech Association, a non-profit organization that we launched in 2004, mainly to promote academy of industry interactions and provide a platform for sharing of the knowledge and technologies, not only within India, but across the entire Asia. And very recently, we have even reaching out to Africa and other countries also. There is a chapter in Nigeria, there is a chapter in the United States. So there are about 20 countries where FABA chapters are located. So the main objective of FABA is to have a forum for free flow of technologies, free flow of knowledge between the academy and industry across the globe, irrespective of the various political scenarios that are there, differences that we have across various countries. And so as part of the various activities of the Federation of Asian Biotech Associations, we have been organizing workshops, conferences, and seminars of interest to the academy as well as to the industry. And one of the flagship events that you're all aware is the BioAsia, which was launched almost 2 decades back and is happening in Hyderabad for the past 2 decades in Hyderabad in February in HICC. And I'm sure you might have attended this year's BioAsia also. So it has become a global bio-business forum, which was started by FABA, and now the government of Telangana, earlier government of Andhra Pradesh, has come forward and in fact taken this as a flagship event specifically in the area of life sciences, and it is growing leaps and bounds every year. And in addition to that, FABA has been organizing various events in skill development activities, in promoting startup ecosystem, in promoting academy and industry interactions at different time points in different locations. So this year what we thought was, let us have a FABA innovation system, innovation summit, one event where this will be a flagship event that will recur every year from now onwards. And this FABA Innovation Summit will have the drug discovery and development workshop, as Jagdish was pointing out, which we are organizing in association with Science Gurus, a non-profit organization based in California, and University of Hyderabad. This is the 5th edition that we are conducting in association with Science Gurus on drug discovery and development. This drug discovery and development workshop was just inaugurated by our Vice Chancellor on 3rd August, and it will run up to 16th August. And so this covers the entire spectrum of starting from the academic institutions where the discoveries will be taking place, and then preclinical development by various CROs that are involved, and then the various big pharma or biotech companies come forward and then take it forward to the next development stage. So all these spectrum of events that are associated with drug discovery and development are being covered, and it will run up to 16th of August. So this is followed by the whale tank event, which we have launched earlier also, but this is immediately follows after the drug discovery and development. And whale tank event is a platform for promising startups to the venture financing system. So the startup ecosystem is growing like anything in terms of so thanks to the support that was given by the government of India and many other state governments, there is a large number of incubation centers which were set up in academic institutions. And today there are about 2,000 incubation centers, and out of that, 460 are in life sciences itself. And these incubation centers are distributed across the country. And I'm happy to share that Telangana, that is Hyderabad, has the largest number of life science incubation centers located. This is followed by Bangalore, then the Delhi, then a number of other Chennai and other centers. But there are 26 life sciences incubation centers in Hyderabad and 21 in Bangalore and 19 in Delhi, like that. So this shows the innovation that is happening in Hyderabad. And so as part of this, we have selected the most promising startup companies and then showcasing them to investors. A number of venture capital organizations around the world are in fact attending this whale tank event, and wherein they will go through these startups and then see what is happening is, with the support from the government of India, the support from their friends and relatives of their own money, a large number of startups have come into the established, and they are okay to a particular level, but the next level of innovation requires much more funding than what they are getting, and that is the gap that is existing in the country. Any innovation that is taking place from the startup ecosystem, it has to go to the next level, means it requires the venture financing system. The venture financing system culture is not very well developed in India. Unlike if you see the either Bay Area, that is California area, or Boston area, or Europe, or Japan, and other leading countries, there is a very well matured venture financing system, which is not present, and that is where FABA wanted to bridge that kind of gap by bringing the VCs across the globe and then showcasing the potential startups to these VCs. So that is the whale tank event that we are doing on 17th August, which is a physical event. The drug discovery and development workshop is a online event which is happening. And this is immediately followed by the Life Sciences Innovation Cluster meeting within the School of Life Sciences at University of Hyderabad. And there we are bringing the partners, not only from the academy and industry within India, but also around the world. Some of the country ambassadors are coming and participating in it. So the main idea of this Life Sciences Innovation Cluster meeting is to how exactly we can promote the innovative ecosystem and what is required. If you see globally, wherever the innovations are happening, and that is mainly because of interactions that are taking place between academia and industry. And that is the one which is lacking. And FABA has been playing a role in promoting such academy-industry interactions right from the beginning. And this Life Science Innovation Cluster is also one such kind of thing. So as part of this, so why are we promoting this innovation ecosystem? If you see the global innovation hubs across the country, across the world, if you see, India is not figuring anywhere in the top 20 innovation hubs. So we are maybe 40, 50th country where the innovation is happening. And not only that, if you take healthcare, global healthcare market into consideration, it is about $10 trillion. And Indian healthcare market, the capturing of the global healthcare market is only about $370 billion dollars. And that comes to only 3.72% of the global healthcare market. And today we see we have a large number of pharma companies, biotech companies, vaccine manufacturing companies. And even then also, and exporting throughout the world. Even then, our share of the market, healthcare market, is only 3.72%. That is mainly because we are exporting only generics, biosimilars. There is no innovative product. The real money is present only in the innovative products. And if India has to grow bigger and reach to the next level, it is the only way that we have to focus is promoting innovative ecosystem. And innovations have to come. And if wherever you see the innovations have come up by interactions between academy and industry, and interactions between the startups and the big pharma or biotech companies. And in fact, there is a new trend that has come up that big pharma have stopped their innovations in-house, and they would like to house or outsource the innovations that are taking place in academic institutions or startups. It is a very big opportunity for our own startups as well as academic institutions to showcase what is happening in academic institutions and then promote the translation of the innovations that are taking place and come up with innovative products. So that is why FABA has been focusing on promoting such kind of innovations in it. And FABA has been organizing these events at different dates, in a year. Drug discovery development workshop in 1 month, and then a whale tank event another month, and the innovation cluster. So last year we organized the innovation cluster meeting in Genome Valley. This year we are organizing within an academic setup institution that is at University of Hyderabad. So this FABA Innovation Summit is to bring all of them and then come up with a kind of a flagship event of FABA every year, which will be happening with focusing on all innovations. Innovations at the drug discovery development workshop is mainly we are doing. So it requires, if at all innovations have to take place within academic institutions and the pharma or biotech companies, you require the manpower, you require the knowledge, what is happening for this kind of innovations. So that is why drug discovery and development workshop that we are doing, which covers all aspects of innovation. Today we had the talks specifically on the 3D bioprinting, printing of organ on a chip. And in fact, today's speaker, he was mentioning about human on a chip. Whatever that entire thing that is happening in the body after you take a drug, that can be depicted in a human on a chip system. And it will, without conducting the human trials, you will get a lot of information on such a kind of thing. So these are the developments that are taking place, which we are showcasing to the industry, showcasing to the academic institutions. So that is one. And startups have to play a major role in the promoting innovative ecosystem, coming up with innovative products. And that is why the drug discovery and development workshop is immediately followed by startup ecosystem thing. And the third one is, in order to promote such kind of innovations, ultimately it boils down to convince the industry that they have to go for innovative product development, to convince the government that it is happening, that we need to promote such a kind of innovative ecosystem in terms of promoting academy and industry interactions, in terms of giving the incentives to the industry to go for innovations. And so that is where we have called not only industry leaders and academic institutional heads, but also from the government organizations. And so these are the efforts that are being made. Not only these three events, but we wanted to celebrate various kind of achievements that have taken place in terms of the innovations that have taken place in terms of the scientific contributions. FABA has been giving these kind of awards. Dr. B.S. Bajaj Memorial FABA Excellence Award. That is the one which we have been giving all along. You may be knowing that Dr. B.S. Bajaj is one of the founder members of, he was the key figure behind in establishing the Federation of Asian Biotech Associations. And for many years, he was running this organization, and we were all helping that. In his honor, we have instituted this FABA Excellence Award. And in addition to this, FABA Lifetime Achievement Award is also being given. And this year, we are giving FABA Excellence Award to one of the innovations that have taken place, the CAR T therapy, cell-based therapies that have come up developed by a scientist. ImmunoAct is the startup company established by a professor from IIT Mumbai, and this was supported by the Laurus labs in Hyderabad itself. So the first CAR T therapy in the country that has come up is because of these interactions between academy and industry. And in fact, we are recognizing this kind of innovation that has taken place. We are giving the Dr. B.S. Bajaj Memorial Award to him. And for the Lifetime Achievement Award, we have seen Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, who was former Director General of ICMR, and she was also in the WHO and many other fora, and he effectively handled the COVID-19 operations around the world. And in fact, we are honoring her through the FABA Lifetime Achievement Award. Not only these three, and we wanted to honor the excellence, innovations that are taking place. FABA Innovation Award, for young scientists below the age of 35, we are giving a cash prize of 5 lakhs. And we have invited applications. There are about 50 plus applications received across the country. A committee, international committee, is going through that, and we will be shortlisting. And I must thank Natco Pharma for coming forward to establish this award. And this award is being established in memory of Dr. Yellappragada Subba Rao, one of our eminent scientists who went to US, worked at Liberty Laboratories, and then came up with many innovative products. So in his honor, Dr. Yellappragada Subba Rao Memorial Innovation Award for young scientists below the age of 35 we are giving, with a cash prize of 5 lakhs. And in addition to this, whatever the innovations that are taking place in academic institutions through doctoral research, the best doctoral research contribution that is happening in the academic institutions, we have invited applications, and in fact, there are about 100 applications we have received. They are being screened also, and we will be rewarding them with a cash prize of 2 lakhs. And I must thank Dr. Anand Govindaluri from Govind Foundation, who has come forward to contribute this every year in the next 10 years. And so these are the various events that the Federation of Asian Biotech Association is coming up with various kind of programs to promote an innovative ecosystem in the country, not only in the country, even other countries also. And in this, I must acknowledge that University of Hyderabad has played a key role when I was there as a faculty member, and then even afterwards also. University of Hyderabad was a key partner in all the activities that we have been doing in the last several years, not only in drug discovery and development workshop or whale tank event and life science ecosystem innovation cluster meeting. When we organized the life science innovation cluster meeting in Genome Valley, in fact, our vice chancellor was the chief guest. He came all the way to Genome Valley and then conducted this, interacted with industry leaders. And I must thank that the university has agreed to host the next event within the campus. And we have with us Professor Samrat Sabat, and he will be talking, elaborating more on this. So with this, I think I stop at this point, and our colleagues here will be adding some more points at this point.